what's your problem, YouTube? And welcome to the second episode of my Coursera Python for Everybody series. And today we're going to be taking our first quiz. Go to week 3. And it's the quiz on chapter 1. So let's get started. So the first question. When Python is running in the interactive mode and displaying the chevron prompt, what question is Python asking you? What Python script would you like me to run? What Python statement would you like me to run? What is your favorite color? And what is the next machine language instruction to run? Well, it's obviously what Python statement would you like me to run? You should keep an eye out for the options though, because they keep shuffling. This option was second for me, but it could be the fourth option for you. Okay, moving on to the second question. What will the following program print out? X equals 15, x equals x plus 5, print x. Well, it'll print out 15 plus 5, so that'll be 20. Question 3. Python scripts files have names that end with its py. Question 4. Which of these words are reserved words in Python? You can actually select more than one for this question. Well, among these 5 options, we know that if and break are the only 2 reserved words. Question 5. What is the proper way to say goodbye to Python? It's quit. Question 6. Which of these parts of a computer actually executes the program instructions? It's the central processing unit. Question 7. What is code in the context of this course? Well, it's definitely not a way to encrypt data during World War II. It's a sequence of instructions in a programming language. Okay, moving on to question 8. A USB memory stick is an example of which of the following components of computer architecture? It's secondary memory. Question 9. What is the best way to think about a syntax error while programming? You know what? For a second I thought my computer hates everyone in my town. But actually the answer is the computer did not understand the statement that you entered. Okay, question 10, the last one. Which of the following is not one of the programming patterns covered in chapter 1? Well, if you've seen the lectures, random has not been covered. Okay, let's find out how I did. Okay, I got 100%. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more problem-solving videos. Until next time, what's your problem?